Hello everyone, welcome to my house filming videos. Found another house that we're filming today. In case anyone's wondering about the green, that's all going to be covered up. According to the footers here, there's going to be like brick or stone. And you can see up here, you know, the spacing for them. So that's all going to be all covered up. Just going through the front here. I'm going to try to move as quick as possible. This is a big house. Ah, yes. Look inside here. Look in there. That's a nice big area. Probably the office area. Big windows. Garage over there. But then you'll walk into here. 12-foot ceiling maybe. Fireplace. Kitchen, dining room. It's no longer trending that we have dining rooms now, but big yard, as you can see. Spacing for the brick. Can't wait to. I like to see houses being finished. Master bedroom. Tall, vaulted ceiling. Ow, goodness, I need to watch where I'm walking. Bathroom, huge window. Okay. Toilet, shower, big shower. Looks like a little bit of dead space there. Closet, colossal closet, little window. Crap, I only have 5 minutes left on this timer, so I better hurry. Okay. So, that's obviously the garage. I'm in the kitchen now. That's a walk-through pantry, it looks like. And then that's the laundry room. Let's go through here. Now this is an interesting room because I don't know what it is. It doesn't have a closet or anything. And then you come in through this little hallway and there's a powder room that goes out to the back. Then this obscure little room here, probably I use it as a work room because it has access to this garage. Alright, let's see how fast I can go up those stairs and come back down. I just love these houses. They're really cool. And then over here, bedroom, storage, walk-through bathroom, and a closet with a window. Yep, this is a big house. Ah, look at this. It looks like skimpy construction here, but whatever. Alright, so as you can see, this room here is raised from the tall ceiling below. And even has its own set of steps. Let's check out the view. Oh yeah, that's a big yard. I'd love that yard. Many people's dogs would love it too. So over here there's a bedroom. This window. Well, what do you know? Someone left their markers behind. Interesting. But I don't take what's not mine, so. Attic access. And there's a Jack and Jill. Okay, so here's the sink. Door. Bathtub. Linen closet. Toilet. Then there would be a door to the other bedroom. However, what's funny is that these two bedrooms share a closet. Like, this is the closet. Two different spaces. I never seen that before. Here's the sink for the other guy. And then this attic access. And then, of course, Here's the bedroom. So look at, it's getting green now. I'm liking it. But it's also getting hot. Very hot. And then over here on the other end of the house, you get the lonesome bedroom. But the good news is, you get a nice window, and then you get your own bathroom, and you get a big closet that's not shared. Of course, there's no attic access over here, but I don't care. Whoa, I almost tripped again. Dang it. I should watch where I'm stepping. Now let's see if there's enough time to see what's out back. Looks like I got 1 minute left. Because I always like to show off the backs of the houses too. This is going to be a very big yard to pick through. Because I want the best view possible. Of course, back out here, you know, oh, the sun is kind of shining. So I don't know if there's going to be a big glare on my camera or what. But we're gonna make do. Oh yeah, I don't want to be walking backwards in this. I hear the bugs are out. All this country. Alright, so that's what the back of this house looks like. See, there's that big room up there. There's that bedroom. Dogs are barking at me. I don't care. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed that video. And I will see you later for another one. Alright. Goodbye, everybody. Have a great